Hey everybody, it's Emeka here. We got Christian, we got Rasmus, the Mickelson twins.
Yes, sir.
The Ossai.
Singular.
But hey, we are coming to you from beautiful Playa del Carmen. And take a look at the view.
The rooftop infinity pool.
The rooftop infinity pool.
Oh, God, this is amazing. Yeah. This is what you can do when you make money online. Yeah.
So, in this video, I want to share the experience that I had a chance mentoring and working with these two individuals. Worked with them for about 3 months or so, and on day one of their product launch, they made in bank over $50,000.
51.
$51,000.
Get it right. Get it right.
Get it right. And it's mind blowing if you think about it, making that much in one day.
Yeah.
What was that like?
Surreal. It didn't feel real. It's kind of hit me the last few days. I was a little. But the day of, it was like, I don't feel that. I think I should feel. I don't know if you remember, but I could not stop smiling.
Oh yeah,
I was telling everyone like, guys, I can't not do this. That too.
So it was. So let's go through the whole process of what happened, like how it came to be, how we started working together. Because we didn't really have much of a relationship beforehand.
Only on a very basic level.
Very basic level, right? So why don't you share the journey, what it's been like, and maybe share with them, were you even thinking about, coming up with anything? Like this was something that was 4 months ago, was not even, you guys weren't even thinking
on our mind. Nope.
So can you just kind of share people and walk people through the journey?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so with this product, it's not something that we had really planned for a long time ever to make, really. But it's really from our YouTube subscribers that were just asking for it. So at that point, we just kind of had to. I could see when they were asking for it, I was like, yeah, this is a good idea. For me, they were asking for a long time. I was just like, nah, not ready. I don't know. I just wasn't convinced for whatever reason. And I had no idea how to do it. Right? Like, where do I even start? I don't even know what to do. So that's obviously. It was very intimidating. That was a big one. It was very intimidating. Yeah, like it's a huge step. We were like super comfortable doing our thing, making YouTube videos. Outside the comfort zone. Yeah, it was. So, we had no idea where to start with this, and then you had a similar product out there, so you obviously had a lot of success with it. So you knew, you had been through the whole process, and you honestly knew everything there was to do for us. So that's why we hit you up for the mentorship to show us how to do it. I think we knew how to create the product, but we had no idea how to put it together, market it, get people to see it. There's a lot more to it than what you think.
Right.
It's a lot more.
It's not just, I think it would just be easier to just talk about what it was. Online information product. It's not, because so many people put them up, but it's not just creating it and putting it up. It's understanding who your market is, how to market it, pricing, strategies, and so much more.
There's so much that no one knows what goes on behind the scenes of making this course and marketing it. The back end, the email,
So what were some of your the number one reason you seeked out working with a mentor? What would you say was that? Like, what was the one thing you wanted to gain from it?
Well, basically, I just knew going into it without a mentor, how do I say it other than we didn't know what to do. Okay. I literally didn't even know. Okay, I was like, okay, let's do this. Yeah. Let's create this. Can I say it's a course? Let's create this course. What the hell do I even do as the first thing? Yeah. I have no idea. Yeah. You know? Yeah. So a mentor like you was perfect.
So
just to get started.
A map. Exactly. Right? Like, just
there we go.
Okay, do this, do this, do this, do this. Don't do this. Do this. Is that essentially what you guys were?
Yeah. I mean, the first call with you was the most like. I was like, every single call was every single call.
I remember what you were like. Oh my god, that's it.
No, you literally said, go open this, do this. Do this. I remember going. There's no guesswork. I remember going into every call. I was like, okay, we're on top of things. Things are going good. Like, let's just catch up. But every time I'll go in and I'd leave, like, I was not expecting that. So yeah, no, every call just kickstarted something epic. So I always loved the coaching calls.
Awesome.
But yeah, the big thing was, like you said, a roadmap. That's really what hiring you was, laying out what we had to do step by step, and we also didn't have to make the mistakes that you made
Right.
along the way. That's the thing. That's one thing I believe a lot in. Learning from other people's mistakes.
I'm all about that too. So
Yeah.
That's why I work with my mentor, so he can help steer me in the right direction and say, no, skip that.
Yeah.
That's just gonna mess a whole bunch of things up.
Yeah.
Go over here.
Yeah. I think if someone has never had the chance to talk to a mentor, or
they don't realize how powerful it is.
Or work with someone who has the success they want in their space, it's really hard to explain. But just being around them and talking to them is like, it's undescribable the things you will learn, right? And it's things that you can't like teach. It's just you got to experience around it. You got to experience,
right? It's one of those things you can't read in books, you can't get from YouTube videos. It's like you need that one-on-one connection. So what we're okay, let's talk about we don't have to discuss the price you guys paid, but was there some hesitation when you first decided to hire me and saying, man, is this really going to be worth that amount? Like, are you sure we should be doing this? Was there any hesitation with that, or were you pretty confident? It's like, man, Emeka's rocking his own thing, we know he's gonna.
So the honest answer, the way we are, not at all. The honest answer, there was zero hesitation. Not even one, zero.
I mean,
So and I think that's more a thing on us.
That's
like
more
how
you guys roll.
Yeah.
Okay.
We know the value in it as soon as we pitched it. Exactly. When you pitched it, we were trying to play it off as if we were.
As if you were cool.
That was that's what we took a few hours to get back to, but right after we got off the call, like, Raf, we're doing this.
Yeah. Send them the money.
Yeah. So I mean, you were already doing exactly what we wanted. So why would we find anyone else? Even in a similar niche, everything. So there was not a better mentor for the job, and we knew that.
What were some of the things that you learned from working with me that you did not expect at all to learn?
Something that we learned. Anything. Give me a second here. I mean, from hanging out with you in person, I've just learned that you're a boss.
Does that count? Does that count?
You just feel it all the time. I mean, it's lived up to all of my expectations. Really, I mean, it's exceeded. I mean, the $50,000 in one day was not an expectation that we had. 50,000 USD in one day. I want people to understand that. Not how much money that is. This is not pesos.
It's dollars.
US dollars in 24 hours. My highest expectations were less than half of that. Yeah. So,
and you guys even blew past my expectations.
Yeah.
Because remember, I think I said, like, yeah, guys, 25 will be good.
Yeah.
All right, be happy if we get to 25 cents.
Yeah.
And 96.
We did 96. We did
96.
Yeah. Insane.
So that's, and that's awesome when you can surpass even, my expectations. I totally underestimated the market.
Yeah.
Right? What about, let's talk pricing strategies.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
This was a big topic of conversation.
Okay.
Yeah. And we were a little hesitant to listen to what you were saying at first.
Yeah. And were there times that you were kind of hesitant listening to my advice? Because I know there's times that my mentors tell me something and I'll second guess it. But
yeah, you also stress that, like, in the end, it's our business and it's our decision, but you're only giving your best advice on it. So, there were times, for example, with the price. And honestly, like, we were undervaluing ourselves and the product. Really, I've never sold anything really like this before, so I didn't know how to value it. And I also didn't want to overprice it, we were getting in our own heads. Yeah. Like, we wanted to make everyone happy. And
yes.
Exactly.
So you sell for $1, you're not going to make everyone happy.
Yeah, exactly. Right? So thank God we did not make that mistake. Yeah. That just deciding to price it what we priced it at was worth the money we paid for you to work with you in itself. Yeah, right. Just that piece of advice, raise your price, and that, I mean, does that maybe double our earnings? Possibly. Yeah. So.
Yeah. No, probably.
Yeah. I mean, okay, so we got 96 sales at that price. Maybe we would have gotten like 110 if we had done half the price. Yeah. Something like that, which is crazy. Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Going forward, do you think you're going to continue to work with mentors, whether it's myself or somebody else, to help bring you to that next level?
Yes. 100,000%. Yeah. I mean, we've talked about this. The money that we've made from this, obviously we want to keep it in the business. What I want to invest that money in is a new higher level mentor in another area, not within publishing. I mean, but for us specifically, YouTube and brand building.
Yeah.
To answer your question before, now I have an answer for you. Something that we learned that we did not expect going into this was the power of having a mentor. I did not realize it could have this big of an effect. I mean, okay, this is not just sell Emeka and all that, but our lives have changed over these last 3 months since everything, since working with you, since coming out with our product, since everything that's happened. I'm getting goosebumps from that because it's true. It's true. It's been absolutely insane.
That's awesome.
So I guess thank you for that.
Take this in for a second.
Yeah, just so.
I just have moments sometimes where I just, is this really happening? Yeah. So yeah. Oof. I like this. I like my life.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. Well, guys, hey, thank you so much for taking some time to share your experiences working with me over the last little bit. And like I said, $51,000 in one day.
It's intense. That's a success in my books.
That's definitely a success in probably most people's books.
Yeah.
What's the average wage in America?
I mean, less than that a year, easily. A year.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Think about that.
Yeah.
That gets you 6 penthouses like this.
Exactly.
So, that's awesome. All right, everybody. Till next time, helping you increase your income, take back your freedom so you can design your ultimate lifestyle like these two live it every single day.
Peace.